Unleash the power of AI to craft unforgettable text-based logos that scream sophistication and brand personality. Let's dive into Leonardo AI and transform your brand name into a visual masterpiece first. Head over to Leonardo AI and log in. We'll be focusing on the text-to-image generation. Here, the key to a great text logo starts with a powerful prompt. Think about your brand's essence. Is it modern, playful, classic, or something else entirely? This will guide your descriptive words. For our example, let's imagine we're creating a logo for a sustainable coffee brand. Our prompt might be eco-friendly coffee brand name logo, organic feel, hand-drawn lettering, earthy tones, simple and inviting. Be specific with your font style: serif, sans serif, script, vintage, or even describe the feeling of the font, like bold and authoritative or light and airy. Now, let's refine our settings. Select a square aspect ratio for a versatile logo format. In the negative prompt, you can tell the AI what you don't want, like avoid clutter, no gradients, or no distracting elements. Explore the style presets. Sometimes a predefined style can offer a great starting point for typography. Consider adding terms like clear readability or professional typography to ensure your text is easily legible. Hit generate and marvel as Leonardo AI presents you with a spectrum of possibilities. Don't settle for the first output. Examine each option. Closely look for strong letter forms, balanced kerning between letters, and a color palette that aligns with your brand identity. You can iterate by tweaking your prompt based on what you like and dislike from these initial results. Once you find a design that resonates, you can often refine it further by using specific prompts for details. For instance, if you like the font but want a slightly different shade of green, add emerald green to your prompt and generate again. Or if you want to add a subtle graphic element, you could try prompts like wordmark with a minimalist leaf icon integrated, or typographic logo with a subtle contour line. This iterative process is key to achieving that professional edge. Remember, the power of Leonardo AI is in its ability to blend artistic creativity with precise control. By mastering your prompts and understanding how to guide the AI, you can develop unique, memorable, and highly effective text logos that elevate your brand. Start experimenting today and let your brand's message shine.